In this video, I'll guide you through how to upload a design from Canva to Acuity Scheduling, making it easy for you to enhance your appointment setup with personalized graphics. Whether you're a business owner, a freelancer, or just someone who values a well-branded appearance, this simple process will help you integrate your design smoothly. First, you'll need to open your design in Canva. Canva is a fantastic tool for creating visually appealing graphics, and having your design ready is the initial step to ensuring a smooth upload process. Once you have your design open, you'll want to download it. In the top right corner of the Canva interface, look for the Share button. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select Download. When you're downloading your file, it's important to choose the right file type. If you're working with a logo or any graphic that requires a transparent background, select the PNG format. This ensures that your design maintains its quality and transparency. Alternatively, if you're working with photos or need to keep the file size smaller for quicker uploads, go with the JPG option. Making the right choice here will ensure that your design looks its best when uploaded to Acuity. Now that your design is safely downloaded to your device, it's time to switch gears and head over to your Acuity Scheduling dashboard. Once there, navigate to the Appointment Types section. This is where you can manage the different services or appointment types you offer. Find the specific service you want to associate your design with, and click Edit. This is where the fun part begins. You get to personalize your service with your unique design. Within the Edit section, look for the Add Image button or sometimes just a simple plus icon. Clicking this will open up a prompt for you to select your file. This is where you'll choose the design you just downloaded from Canva. A little tip here, make sure you're selecting the most recent version of your design to avoid any mix-ups with older files. Once you've selected your file, go ahead and click Save Appointment Type. This crucial step ensures that your design is now part of your appointment type, allowing it to be displayed to clients when they book with you. It's a small change that can make a big impact on how your scheduling page looks and feels to your clients, adding a touch of professionalism and personal branding. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully uploaded a design from Canva to Acuity Scheduling. This process not only helps you maintain a cohesive brand image, but also makes your services more visually appealing to potential clients. Remember, attention to detail can make a significant difference in how your business is perceived. Thanks for following along and keep creating those stunning designs.